Hey guys, just thought we'd stop by here on the way home from work today and take a look at the Lapstone Zigzag. It's an abandoned railway platform. So we're here. We're just going to go up and take a look. Lucasville Station, Lapstone Zigzag. I can tell you there's a lot of stairs on this walk. Feels like the stairs just keep going and going and going. There's actually a lookout over here as well. Thought we might take a look. This is called Elizabeth Lookout. It's fenced off at the moment. Still take a look. Can't really see that much from here, to be honest. Well, somewhere along here is supposedly the old train platform. We'll keep walking along and see if we can find it. Well, I think we found it. It's looking like the spot here. I don't know if it was actually a train platform or what it actually was, but if you remember the train tunnel I went to in the bush, this actually linked up to that tunnel, so it probably was a train platform, just not really sure. You see up here there's some old steps that used to go somewhere as well. Well, that's pretty much it, as far as I know. We'll have a little bit more of a look around, see if we can find anything else. I'm a little bit confused on that lookout now, because there was a sign that said it was Elizabeth Lookout. Now I've got an arrow pointing to the same thing, and it's called Siding Lookout. This was an old sign for the Lucasville station by the looks of it. It would have been pretty interesting, I think, to actually see what this looked like back in the day. You could imagine standing here waiting for a train. Okay, so I think I was wrong earlier. It's not Elizabeth Lookout. It is Siding Lookout. So that's where we were before. Not much of a good lookout, but I suppose it's still a lookout.